I'm curious, has this crisis changed your view of the role of innovation in your business at all? And Lou, I'll stay on with you for this one.
I think for us, it really amplifies the thesis of our company and what it is we're building, which is a platform for innovation in the physical world. And I think as we, as a team, step back for a second and reflect on the work that we're doing now, it is squarely aligned with what our business is about. We recognize the importance of making things, not just for the things, the physical objects, but for what they make possible in the world. We don't just make cars and cell phones and satellites, but we make the world more connected. We feed and we power the world with the things that we make. And now we're making new medical devices that can help make the world healthy and safe again. That is our mission, that is our purpose. And so we are humbled that we are able to contribute our resources and talent to the cause here.
Addressing real needs, that is for sure. So Sonnet, how about you? Has your view of the role of innovation in your business changed at all?
I mean, we've relied on innovation from the very beginning. We wouldn't be able to compete against really large companies. I mean, we don't have those marketing budgets. And so we have to be nimble. We have to innovate. We have to be quick. That's something we've done from the very beginning with our spirits for consumption, in that, you know, we used a new approach. We made products only using the heart cut of the distillate. We used alternative grains, but we also innovated on the business side, as we're probably one of very, very few distilleries, and certainly probably the only craft distillery in the United States that is its own importer into Europe. So we also have our own warehouse abroad. We deal with all the business ourselves. And in fact, at Koval, we pretty much do everything ourselves, including all the programming. We don't outsource it to other software companies. We write it all. We write our whole back end. We do everything ourselves. So with that in mind, it gave us an opportunity to, you know, just go back to this challenge with that same mindset and say, okay, how are we going to pivot? And what do we need to do to get it done? But we're not afraid to do things ourselves. So it's part of just who we are.
I love that. I love that. And Gary, I'm coming back to you. So what about the role? How do you view the role of innovation in your company? Has this changed your view?
Like Lou, it's amplified, and Sonnetless amplified what we were already thinking. I think one of the things that we've learned is that sometimes good is perfect. So, you know, getting things out into the market that can help people that might not be what you would have done over a year of planning or half a year of planning and SWOT analyzing, is sometimes the thing that needs, right? Because getting it out in the market, having people respond to it, see how people are using it, and then iterating that way is actually better than a full long kind of project plan or product plan period. So I think one of the things it's taught us is to shorten kind of our iterative cycles, and to just get things out in the market that can really help people and see how it's helping people and double down on those efforts.
Yeah, better done than perfect, right?
Right,
That is one of those things that true, you know, innovation and entrepreneurship, and it's those iterations. So